everybody. Welcome Jeriesha to the Maury Show. Now, Jeriesha says this is a major source of income for her. She posts photos and videos of her feet on the internet. And they are so lovely that people pay for them. So why would she be on a paternity show? Because she has a 4-month-old daughter named Jeriesha, and her ex-husband, Mack, denies he's the father because Mack accuses Jeriesha of doing more than just sharing those sexy foot pics. Because he claims Jeriesha cheated on him around the time she got pregnant. You got a 12-year history.
Yes, 12 years.
Y'all been married.
We've been married, divorced. Maury, let me tell you, when I was in high school, he first laid eyes on me, but I was too young. So he waited as soon as I turned 18, swooped down on me like a hawk, guys, swooped down on me like a hawk. And now that we have our miracle baby, I didn't think I could get pregnant. You know, I have issues, female issues. I didn't think I can get pregnant. And as soon as we have our miracle baby, he drags me all the way to Connecticut and denies my beautiful baby girl.
He goes back to this whole career you have as a foot model.
That's bogus. He was all down for it in the beginning.
Oh, really?
Maury, he wanted to be my manager, Maury.
Oh, really?
I don't need a manager, Maury. I'm a boss. I manage my own feet, okay?
Yeah.
If they want toe spreads, I spread them. If they want arch feet, I arch them, okay? If they want my feet in the grass, I put them in the grass. Ladies, if they offer you $500 for a picture of your feet, come on. Right, exactly. Get that paper. I want to get that paper.
Jeriesha,
They love it.
It just doesn't start. How did this all start?
It started with a
What
pedicure,
happened?
Maury, and
What
my
happened?
pedicure was popping, and I thought it was popping.
Oh, so you put it on the internet?
I put it on the internet, Maury, and I opened up a whole new world. I did a little research, and there's a whole world of feet fetish out there, and people that love feet. Maury, I get $200 for dirty socks. I spread my toes, I arch my feet, and they love it.
Okay, now, then of course he starts saying, you must be sleeping with these people if you're raking in all this
That's
money.
bogus. That's bogus, Maury. That's bogus. He's the cheater.
Well, let's talk about the baby, because that's why you're here, right?
Right, exactly.
Do you think that she looks like him?
She looks just like him, Maury. She has his
Adrian
forehead.
looks like
She has his cheek. She has his mouth. She even has... Look at this hairline. Look at this hairline. Look at this hairline. Maury.
So you all have been married and you've been divorced.
Divorced.
And your relation, I mean...
He's one way, 1 minute. When he wants me back in his life, he's Mr. Nice Guy. Like Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. That's what it is.
So
that's what
you
it
all
is.
were apart, but then you get back together and boom.
Yeah.
That's when you get pregnant.
Yeah, I get pregnant. And we tried to get pregnant. It didn't happen. But now we have our miracle baby.
You would think if you all had at one time tried to get pregnant, you think he would be happy.
Exactly.
But he's not.
But he's not. He got me up here in Connecticut denying my beautiful baby girl.
There's another little problem here. You were with another guy around the
It
time.
don't matter, though. That don't matter, though. He is the father. Okay. I was honest about that, Maury. I was honest. He didn't find out. I was honest.
Right.
He signed the birth certificate, Maury. I told him, look,
He signed
the birth certificate. I told him to hold on.
For instance, as I understand it, you're in the hospital giving birth, and you say to him, don't sign it. If you want a DNA test, don't sign it.
Let's do that first.
And then what did he do?
Maury, he almost snatched the nurse's arm off. I'm sorry, he reached for that paper so quick and put his name down on that paper like he's about to win $1 million, Maury.
Meanwhile, he's kind of had a little turn because he started helping you with the baby.
He does a little something, but I'm a mother, Maury. Mothers know that we're mothers daytime, nighttime, sickness, and health. We're mothers when we're happy. We're mothers when we're upset, and he just wants to come around when he wants to come around.
Yeah, but you've had somebody there for you. Who's that been?
My cousin Casey.
Casey.
My cousin Casey. My cousin Casey.
Oh. Casey, what do you think of him?
He's stupid, Maury. He's stupid.
He crazy.
He done brought us all the way from Georgia up here denying my beautiful cousin.
Well, wait a second.
Maury, I need to come up there.
You want to come up there?
Yeah, I'm on my way. It gotta stop.
You know Mack a long time?
Yes, he's stupid. Yeah, I know.
Yes.
I'm fed up with it. Today, he gonna have to
I
change.
want to ask you something, Jeriesha. You want to be back with him?
No, I'm fed up. I'm tired. He got me up here denying my baby girl. Who would wanna do that? Who wants to be with a man that's denying their baby? Come on now. Come on. He's bogus. He's bogus.
Okay. Matt, I need another chair. Everybody, here's Mack.
Maury, sit him over there.
What's up, Maury?
You too.
Why you beating? That's what you ain't come for.
Mack, why are you so certain that's not your child? This could be a miracle baby.
$500 for some feet, that's a lot of feet, boy.
Come on, they love him, though. They love these
He
feet.
worried about her selling her feet, Maury. It's better than selling her ass. It's better than selling her ass. She ain't doing it.
You've been with her since she was 18 years old.
She was grown. She was legal.
She says you want to get back together with her.
Nah, man.
He do more. He
She
give
don't
me up
want
out
me.
of my bed.
She don't want me. She don't want me. I don't want her. I can get a woman.
You want to be with her, you get me up out of my bed and
dog.
take you to her house.
If I can get a woman,
He want to be with her. He want to be with her, Maury.
He flexed up.
He want to be with her.
So what did a family member tell you about Jeriesha?
She had messed with one of his homeboys.
That family member is crazy. That family member's crazy just like him. That's the reason why they deal with each other. They are crazy. They're delusional.
You told me too.
They're delusional.
Mack,
You told me
when
too.
Jeriesha told you she was pregnant, were you okay with that in the beginning or not?
I knew she had messed with somebody else.
At the hospital, she told you, you don't have to sign the birth certificate, we'll get a DNA test, but you grabbed that piece of paper and signed it.
I had been there, and if it's a chance that it's my baby, I don't want that child to say that I wasn't there. I want to be there from the jump if it's my baby.
It's about him.
I'm a real man. I'm a real man.
Instead of my cousin calling me, telling me she pregnant, he called me and told me she pregnant. He asked me to help him with the baby shower.
You're gonna take care of this baby if it's yours.
Sure.
right?
If it's mine, I'll take care of it. Definitely so.
Do you want to more than take care of it? Do you want to be a family again or not?
Tell the truth
If
now.
she wants
Tell
me,
the
then I
truth.
would be with her. But if she don't want me, I don't want her.
You see that? You see it? You see that?
She don't want him.
Right.
We're gonna find out the results right now. In the case of 4-month-old Adriel, Mack, you are not.
I wouldn't even want him to be dead. He can't do nothing anyway.
Yeah, I don't need the drama in my life anyway.
He can't do nothing
I don't
anyway.
need drama in my life anyway.
It's okay. all right?
You weren't doing that. You weren't doing that
Honest
anyway.
mistake.
I would be in there. I've been there the whole time.
I still got it.
Don't jump on her.
Right.
Have you been told that you're the father, but fear you're actually raising another man's child? Please call us right now at 1-888-45-MAURY to speak with someone from our show about taking a DNA test. Thanks for watching, everybody. Now, if you want to see more Maury content, click here. And be sure to subscribe to be the first to know about new videos.